In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Vimeo video on a Facebook page. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Sharing your videos across social media platforms can really enhance your reach and engage your audience, so let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open Vimeo in your web browser. When you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to pause the video and sign up. It's fairly straightforward. Once you're all logged in, direct your attention to the library section. This is where all of your uploaded videos will be neatly organized. After navigating to your library, you should see a list of videos that you've uploaded. Take a moment to browse until you find the specific video that you want to share on your Facebook page. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on that video. Now that you're viewing the video, look for the share button in the top right corner of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this will open up a share panel featuring various options for sharing your video. From here, focus your attention on the Publish icon located at the bottom of this share panel. It's a simple but crucial step. Clicking that Publish icon will give you an array of sharing options, and what we want here is Facebook. So go ahead and select Facebook from the options presented. If you have already connected your Vimeo account to Facebook, great, you can skip ahead. However, if Facebook isn't connected yet, you'll need to click on the Connect button to link your accounts. Once you click Connect, Vimeo will prompt you to authorize access to your Facebook account. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve logging into your Facebook account and granting the necessary permissions. This step ensures that Vimeo can post videos directly on your behalf. After the accounts are successfully connected, you'll need to select the Facebook page where you want to publish the video. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you choose the right one this time. It can be easy to mix them up, so double-check the name before proceeding. Now that your Facebook page is selected, it's essential to check the video's publishing settings. You want to ensure everything is set up just right. Sometimes, default settings might not be what you intend. For example, you might want to adjust who can see your post, so take a moment to confirm those settings are aligned with your goals. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to make it official. Click on the Publish button, and just like that, your video will be shared to the Facebook page of your choice. Isn't that simple? Now that the video is published, your last step is to open your Facebook page and check that the video has indeed been posted. Scroll through your timeline, and you should see your Vimeo video proudly displayed. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment. Sometimes social media platforms take a little time to update. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to share your Vimeo video on a Facebook page. Remember, sharing your content can be just as important as creating it in the first place, so make sure to take advantage of these tools and engage with your audience effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful tips.